Hey guys, so the other day somebody asked me how to add sound on button click. So instead of making just quick short demo, I've decided to build a piano to make a point and make a tutorial. So right now we're gonna go through how this is built. So for starters, I've got the PG piano, and I've got group keyboard. Inside the group keyboard I've got keys, right? And then I've got black keys. So probably at some point you can do repeating group, but it's too much hassle to do it. So I just went directly with straight group. So what do I have here? First, I've got margins on the right, 6 pixels, so that you can see the distance between the keys. Also, I've got the outside shadow, so that when it's clicked, I turn it into what's the name of it? Inset shadow style, so that you feel that it's clicked. See? So this happens from edit style, you go to conditional, and when this group is pressed, box shadow style is inset. I also do duration change, like transition, and that's how you get basically this experience, right? So one more thing that I want to mention here is I've got black keys. These are also fixed width, fixed height, and I've got left and right margins to be -30 and -21, so that these keys go underneath. And also you have to make sure to do this, bring to front this way. These keys are not going to be on top, but black keys are going to be on top, right? So I've done the same thing with all the black keys here. All right, now as we have this cleared, simple thing, when you click on it, you need to make a sound. So I do play howler. I've got the plugin called audio sound play howler. You just need to drop it on a page. I've got the group howlers because I've got all these individual sounds, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, right? So each howler plays its own audio or its own sound. So this one plays do, this one plays re, and so on and so forth. So when I click on this, I want to play howler do, and that's it, you're done. However, I've got one tiny thing or tiny aspect here as well, which is called, I'm using another plugin called, I don't remember what's the name of it. It's Bubble's native plugin that allows you to use keyboard keys as triggers. So this is mouse and keyboard interaction. Once you add that, you're enabling this event here. So let's go here, interactions, user presses a key or combination of keys. So basically I can stand here and type anything. I can do Command S. So now if user clicks on Command S, I can start any action I want, right? So the same way I've done A, and on A what I do is I play howler do, and also I add do into the list of custom state here, which I have on the page, which is the list. So this enables me to know which key was clicked. So when A is clicked, right, I play do, and also I set do, I add this item to the list of the option set, and that way I know whether it's do or re or mi was clicked. Initially I made it not be a list, but then when you click on multiple keys at the same time, it would show only one of them, so I turned it into a list. So now when you click on 3 keys at the same time, it still shows multiple icons. So what else do I have to say? Okay, let's mention this, how it works. So I've got do, re, mi, just regular text, but it's dynamic coming from the option sets. I'm gonna show you the option sets right now. And then it changes the color only when either the group DO is clicked or the custom state includes the current group's option set. And one more thing that's important to know is I'm doing do a when. So when piano's custom state first item is not empty, I initiate 200. This is 0.2 seconds, I think. Wait or pause, and after that, I just empty the custom event, or what's the name of it? Custom state. So this is how this piano works in a nutshell, and I'm gonna make one quick demonstration. So what I'm gonna do now is when I click on this black button, I want to, let's say, play Do. Play howler. I'm gonna play Do, and that's it. However, I'm not gonna make any design changes. I hope you hear this. So that's how you make, or that's how you add sound to button click. I hope this helped you guys, and if there is anything you want to know, let me know and I'll try to make a video. Please subscribe to my Patreon. This is how you guys can support my YouTube channel, basically. And share this video so that others know about it as well. Thanks. Cheers.